Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce another package for making Toon shader for our object in Unity. In the past I already made a tutorial and introduction for a cartoon shader in Unity. You can find it in my Abul Fasano channel, and you can find it in short tutorials, cartoon shader in Unity. But at this point, I want to introduce another package, which has been made by Iron Warrior 6 years ago. As you can see, you can add this shader with any object you want. Default objects of Unity, and also a 3D model whenever you want. And you just need to come over here. I will share the link of this package into the description of this video for sure. You just need to click on code, download zip, and after that add the assets folder into your projects folder. I already have added and changed the name of it to Toon Shader for Unity. Okay, let's come back over here and look at this. It is here, Toon Shader for Unity, and there is a main scene here, and as you can see, it is our object and it's dynamic. Look at this, you can see the shadow of this shader perfectly, and also look at this, there is a shadow and the shader over here, stone and Toon complete. Look at this, and here shadow receiver. We just better, it's better to use that Toon, and here you can change the main color of that at any color you want, and also you can change the rim amount. Look at this, and here you can change these selections. It will be more smoother, the rim threshold. Okay, and also you can add your texture as well. Alright, but I don't want to continue with this guy because I want to download my own 3D model from Sketchfab. This is a very beautiful car. It's a 1995 Fiat, and as you can see, it is downloadable model. It is free without any license, and you can download this 3D model. But the best way for downloading this model with high quality is using GLB. You can download the GLB one, but by default Unity doesn't support GLB. But in this video, in this tutorial, in my short tutorials, import GLB models to Unity, I explained how to add a GLB 3D model into Unity. If you want, you can watch this video as well. After I downloaded this one and as a GLB file, I imported to the Unity, and here, look at this, it is my car and this is my 3D model. Look at this, exactly the same shader, the same texture with good quality. But I want to make it Toon, right? Cartoony. Alright, let's go to the over here, and this is my main body material. I press Ctrl D to duplicate this guy because by default I cannot change the shader of this material. But now if I click on this one and I can change to Toon, and I drag and drop this shader to this guy. Look at the difference. It is very good. Look at this. Excellent. For example, this one, no, it's another material, I think. What's the material name? Oh yeah, this guy. We can do this, and this is tire, do this. And I click on both and go to the Toon. And now, look at this. It is very beautiful. tires are Toon as well. Interesting. Oh yeah, beautiful. Yes, this is very easy to use. You can use it in your project, and you can add it to your 3D model, even to the plans or quads, and you can use this 3D model, this shader to use to make cartoony shader in your project. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.